Hey guys, it's Maddie Ray and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm filming a very requested video. I am filming what's on my iPhone, and I'm filming this because I just got a new phone, as many of you will know because of my last video that I posted, which was my birthday, what I got for my birthday and iPhone XR review. So yeah, basically I just got the iPhone XR and I'm just going to show you what's on it and sort of like the apps I have, just for any inspiration. But I just show you the apps I've got on my phone. But yeah, that's pretty much just what I'm doing. But I just also wanted to say a massive thank you for 1,000 subscribers. I never thought I'd actually hit 1,000 subscribers, so grateful to have received 1,000 subscribers. I just can't believe it. Like, 1,000 people actually want to watch my videos and actually want to see what I'm doing, and it's just crazy how like those people actually want to watch my videos, because I don't think I'm like that special or anything. It just gives me so much more motivation, because it just shows that people actually do like the content that I'm putting out and the videos that I'm sharing. So I just can't even believe it. And I think I've been doing YouTube for like 2 years now or something like that, or 3 years. I can't really remember when I started, but I never like actually thought I'd get to this point. And I just want to thank you guys for my support on my last video as well, which got like, at the moment it's on like 40k views, and I literally remember just putting it up and just thinking, oh wow, it's gotten like 200 views in the first like hour, and I was like, that's pretty good, because normally I get like 300 views like within a week of that video being up. And I was like, oh, that's quite like weird, like that's gotten a lot more views than normal. And then each day it just kept getting bigger, and like the views just kept going up, and I literally didn't even realize that was going to happen. Like every day I'd check and it'd be like, it'd get to 1,000, then 2,000, then it'd go to like 6,000, and it just keep going up, and it still is. And I'm just so like blown away. I can't even believe that happened. So thank you so much for the support on the last video as well. It's crazy how many people actually watched it. But anyway, so I'm gonna stop rambling on because I've already talked for quite a long time, but let's just get straight on into the video. So weird, I don't know what's going on. Anyway, so this is my phone here, and I'm going to put like a what's the word, like screen recording on, so you can sort of see what I am doing. And also yesterday was Steaks Day and I smashed my phone. I don't even know how I did it, but I did, and I've had it for literally like 2 weeks and it's already smashed. I don't know if you can see. I'll insert a photo like here or something of what it looks like, and I just don't even know how I managed to do it. I don't even know how it happened. I just checked out of my bag and looked and was like, oh wow, it's smashed. And so now that's more money I have to pay for, but you know, we'll have to deal with it. But yes, so when I first get onto my phone, this is my wallpaper. It's just like this girl. I'm a little bit sick at the moment, so that's why my voice is like really croaky as well. So when I first get onto my phone, this is what you see. It's just, my background's just like this plain sort of girl there, and I just liked this background just because it was like white, and I like having like white photos as my background because it just makes the app sort of pop out and looks like bigger. I don't really know, but that's sort of just what I do. So I don't really know how to do this because I haven't done one of these videos in quite a while. So I'm just gonna show you now. My home page, like my first apps that you get, I've got messages there, which obviously I'm not going to open because they're my personal messages, FaceTime, photos, camera, and the camera quality on this phone is amazing. It's so good. I literally can't even now take a photo. Okay, I'm going to stop. And then I've got mail, clock, maps, weather. Then I've got mail, clocks, maps, weather, notes, reminders, calendar, app stores, wallet, settings, just my stuff folder, phone, Safari. So basically the main app that I use on here is probably Notes, and that's because I make literally lists for everything and I take down notes all the time, and I have so many just like random notes here. And I had these like lists that I did, and they were just like morning, after school, and sleep. So I just like wanted to make them so I can like follow a routine and sort of like know what I'm doing and just keeping on track. Ooh, hello. And just keeping on track with like stuff that I do, just so I don't like, I don't really know, but I did them and I haven't followed them in like ages. So yeah, but I'll show you what they look. This is my sleep one. It's sort of just like getting ready for bed, like extra, like getting my recess, school clothes ready, and then in my stuff folder, it's just like all those like apps that you don't really use, or just like other stuff in there. That's why I just call it stuff, because it's just, you know, I don't want to delete the apps because I don't know if I'll like use them ever, because I know you can delete some of like the apps now that like just come on your phone naturally. So I don't want to delete them because I don't know when I'll use them. And then at the bottom I have Messenger, which I use all the time, but obviously I'm not going to show that because it's private, so yeah. Then I have Snapchat down there as well, and Spotify, and literally Spotify is my favorite. Oh, okay. Literally Spotify is my favorite app. I always listen to music and I actually love it. I've just made a new November playlist, and it just like reminds me, because I went away with my friends, we always listen to like the same songs or similar songs, so I like just put them all into my November playlist, and I always just listen to them, and it just reminds me of like everything that happens in that month. That's why I love making monthly playlists. People always ask like, why do you do it? But it's just because, you know, then you can like remember sort of stuff, because I find like songs take me back to memories, and if I hear a song I'm like, oh my god, I remember this day, because like literally it happens like for like years ago. I'll hear a song and then it'll take me back to a memory that I had when I was like little. So I actually love like just doing the monthly playlists, because it just reminds me of the stuff that's happened in the month. And if you want me to do one of those like get lit with me's or those like monthly playlist videos, I'll do one of them, because I really like this playlist, so make sure to film one of those for you guys. And then I just have like all my other playlists here, which I love as well. I've got quite a couple playlists. They're mainly like monthly ones, that's why. But I have like my workout playlist, which is all like remixes of songs, so it's really like pump when I'm like at the gym or something. And then in this folder I have like all my social media or like editing stuff. So I've got Facebook, which is private as well, so I'm not going to show that. I've got Instagram, which I have here, and I love. This is my Instagram, so if you want to go follow it, this is what it looks like. So yeah, but basically these are just my photos. My feed's a bit random at the moment, so yeah, this is it. But yeah, that's just basically my Instagram, and I always go on Instagram and I literally love it so much. It's like one of my mostly used apps. And then I have Pinterest, which I absolutely love as well. I've got so many like motivational stuff on here as well. As you can see, I've got like note stuff that comes up. Then here I just have, I love this board. I just made it and it literally just keeps me so motivated. I just have like little like lists and stuff on here to like that. I don't really know what they're for, but just like certain things, like there's like clear skin, self-care, little like recipes, like routines and stuff, and like help for exams, because I've got exams coming up as well. So this motivation board just has like all this stuff to like how to prepare for them. Yeah, this is one of my favorite boards, so make sure to check that out because I love it. I just have this go, and then I've just got the UE Boom app, because if I want to like sync Huey Booms and stuff. And then Netflix, which I absolutely love, and then my YouTube folder, which has my YouTube Studio app, and I always go on my YouTube Studio just to reply to comments, see my watch time and touches on videos and stuff, because then I can just edit stuff on my phone, so I don't have to go and get my laptop out if I'm out and about and I need to change something. And then I've got sub count. Oh yay, my subscriber count went up by 2. And yeah, so thank you for this amount of subscribers. I literally can't believe it. It's crazy how much I've grown within a week. I don't even know how this happened, but I'm so grateful and so thankful to all of you that actually want to watch my videos. So yes. And then I've got YouTube. Then in this money app, I just have my Optus app, Uber Eats, Uber, Boost Juice, ANZ and PDV. It's just like all the apps that you need to pay money for and stuff like that. Then I have my games app, and I just have like all these random games that I just downloaded because of like Instagram says, oh, like you'll like this app, and then I watch the video of it and then I just end up downloading it. I don't even know why, but I used to have so many more games. If you've seen my last what's my iPhone video and you see how many games I have there, that's how many I had. But that's how many games I had, and now I've got one folder and these like my favourite games. But it's really annoying because I got like really high levels and now I have to restart on all of them. So that's just great. Like Tiger Ball, I was up to like level 60 or something, and now I'm on like 0 because it's like a fluke. And Connect Pops, I was literally on, it's just so sad. But I recommend getting any of these games if you want some like games that if you like travel and you want to go away, or just in general, these are some really good games to get. So I definitely get them. Yeah. And now I have my school folder, which is Team app, and that's just an app for like rowing and stuff. Firefly, which is our school app that we use a lot, and that has like my student timetable on it. Outlook, which is only like I've only put my school email on there, so I can just read all my school emails off here, not off actual mail. Then one login, Quizlet, which is my favourite studying app. It's so good. I just can like write down all my stuff for study on there, so I absolutely love Quizlet. Ed app, Spark View, which was like this science thing I didn't even know. Google Slides, and then Flora, which I just downloaded because that's what some other students in like older year levels said to download, and it helps you get off your phone when you're trying to study, but I haven't actually signed up to it yet, so I don't really know what it's like. And then I've just got my daily horoscope app, which I love, and I just have it there because it's not, I don't really want it in a folder. This is my new phone, so I have to like start it all up fresh. And then I have the countdown app, which is just an app I use to count down till stuff. So my exams are in a week and I need to start studying. I have started studying, but I mean like actually properly going over stuff. And I'm going to Officeworks later today to go get books and stuff, so I'm a bit nervous for that, but you know. Basically that is all that I have on my phone. I don't really have many apps just because I just got a new phone, so all this stuff is like reset and it's all a bit different. But I hope you enjoyed this video anyway, and it was inspirational maybe, and you maybe found some apps that you enjoyed or stuff like that. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also make sure to subscribe down below and join our little YouTube community family that we have growing. And thank you to everybody that has subscribed to my channel and has got me to where I am at the moment. I'm very grateful and I love you all so much. Don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you can get notified every time I upload a video, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.